This video is about my favorite babushka headscarf style. You will see how different this style looks with different types of scarves. And at the end I will show you a few rare vintage scarves from my collection. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. Let's start with wool scarves. I think they are so underestimated. This fabric is quite thick and it helps to keep a perfect shape. I love to wear it with a beige coat. By the way, Audrey Hepburn had a lot of wool headscarves. Next scarf is much bigger and has this lovely fringe. This is traditional Russian Pavlovo posad scarf. The fabric is much softer. As you can see, it covers my shoulders. If this size is too large, you can always make it smaller, folding it like this. You see, it looks very different and you still have beautiful long ends in front. I have an impression that I look younger with smaller scarves. You will see it in the next session about cotton scarves. You can buy this little guy basically everywhere. I have a few of them in different colors. If I tie it Babushka style, it looks very cute. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. What do you think? The next cotton scarf is a beautiful French Les Olivades. The fabric is thicker, it keeps in shape perfectly. And I like to make a little corner on the top. Not forget to spread out the ends. Et voila! This scarf is so summery. Now let's see some vintage silk scarves. Look at this pattern. I think it is made for a babushka style. Not too big, not too small. Just a perfect size. Look at this line on the side. Lovely fold down at the back. And beautiful ends. This is a vintage Liberty of London scarf. And again, look how different it looks because of the smaller size. I have an impression that this pattern came from Harlequin costumes. Look, it can be happy fuchsia and yellow, or I love this beige side. This kind of asymmetric pattern give you some variety in colors combination. Today, I prefer to be more discreet. By the way, I've got another video on Babushka Style with some secrets on how to tie it. It is very helpful and I will link it at the end of this video. This little silk scarf I wear a lot because of this color combination. It goes with the red, blue, white and all shades of gray. Very cute. And the last scarf is my absolute favorite for the fall. Look at the color combination and pattern. It is so unusual. We don't see the scarf like this anymore. It is so 70s. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave a few links to some lovely vintage scarves on Etsy. If you want to know more on Babushka Style, you can watch these videos too to learn how to tie it to look like a Hollywood star. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!